3 Data handling. Today we are going to learn about exercise questions 3.1. First question: find the range of height of any 10 students of your class. In textbook there is no height measurement is given, so I have only selected this one. So 125, 127, 132, 133, 134, 136, 138, 141, 144 and 146 be the heights of 10 students. It is in centimeter only. So first find out what is the question. Range. So highest value we have to find. What is the highest value? 146. What is the minimum value? 125. So take the difference, that is only range. Range equal to highest value minus lowest value, that is equal to 146 minus 125, that is equal to 21 centimeter. So what is the formula for range? Range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. So we identified which is the highest, that is 146, and which is the lowest, 125. So just to take the difference, it is equal to range. That here in this question the value equal to 21 centimeter. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. Data is given, that is 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 4, 6, 7. We should express this is in the tabular form, and also we should find out which is the highest one, lowest one, range and arithmetic mean. What we have to find out? Highest, lowest, range and arithmetic mean. So the solution, first we need a tabular form. You have already learned in the 6th class how to make the tabular form or a frequency table. Same way we have to make the tabular form. So 1 is repeated only one time, 2 2 times, 3 1 time, 4 3 times and 5 5 times, 6 4 times, 7 2 times, 8 1 time and 9 1 time. So like that tally mark you should arrange, and frequency table we have to form. Now we got the table. Now from this we should identify which is the highest. Which is the highest? 9. And which is the minimum? 1. So highest and minimum we got, so we can find out the range now. Now we can go for the questions. Highest number 9, we got the first answer. Lowest number is 1. Second question, range equal to 9 minus 1, 8. Now what is the last question? Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means what? Sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. For getting sum of all observations we have to add all this one. So here we added and it is equal to 100. 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5, like that each observation to be added, and we can see that the sum is equal to 100. What is the total number of observations? It is equal to 20. So 100 divided by 20 equal to 5. So two questions we repeated here, which is that one, range also and mean also. What is the formula for range? Highest minus lowest. So 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Mean means sum of the observations by number of observations, equal to 100 by 20 equal to 5. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. So we list out the whole numbers now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 is included, so 5 numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mean is the question. Mean equal to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 5. So what is the sum here? 10. 10 by 5 equal to 2. So mean of the first 5 whole numbers equal to 2. Got now? Sum of the observations by total number of the observations. Sum of the observation means 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 5, that is 10 by 5 equal to 2. So mean of the first whole numbers is 2. Fourth question, a cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings: 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0 and 100. Find the mean. Just a direct question only, mean. Mean means what? Sum of the observations by total number of the observation. How many innings he have played? 8 innings. So number of observation is 8. So what we have to take down? Runs scored by the cricketer: 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0 and 100. Now mean formula, mean equal to total runs divided by total number of innings. So mean score equal to, we have to substitute the values: 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100 divided by 8. equal to 400 by 8, which is equal to 50. So what is the mean score here? 50. Same formula only, we have to substitute here and find out the sum and divide by total number of the observations. So sum is equal to 400, number of observations or number of innings equal to 8. So 400 by 8 equal to 50. Fifth question, following table shows the point of each player scored in 4 games. Players are A, B and C. Game 1, Game 2, Game 3, Game 4. In Game 1, they scored respectively 14, 10, 8. Game 2, 16, 8, 11. Game 3, 10, 6. But C did not play the third game. And fourth game they scored respectively 10, 4 and 13. Now the answer of the following questions. Find the mean to determine A's average number of the points scored. Nothing else, A's average only they have asked. Find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per the game. So A's average only we have to calculate. A's average means sum of the data. So 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 4 matches he played. So 50 by 4 equal to 12.5. I hope you understood now. So what is we have calculated here? We have to add all the observations divided by number of observations. What is the sum of the observations? 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 4. So it is equal to 50 by 4 equal to 12.5. Second question, to find the mean number of points per game for C. Player C only they are asking, would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? Here C's performance alone is asked. That means individual performance we are checking. Now how many matches he played? Only 3. Game 3 he did not play, isn't it? So he played only 3 matches. So his average means we should divide by 3, not by 4. Understood this one? Here we are checking the individual performances. So how many matches he played? 3 matches he played. So we have to get the average means we should divide the sum by 3 only, because he did not play the 4th game, or we can say game number 3 he did not play. He played only 3 matches. So what is the solution? To find the mean number of points per game for C, we will divide the total points by 3 because C played 3 games only. Understood? Because this is why it is means this is because for the individual performance. Individual performance we have to calculate only his performance only. We are not comparing with the others. B is played all 4 games, right? How would you find the mean? Mean means we have to divide sum by the total number of games. So sum of the score means 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 4. 4 games he played. So 18 by 4 equal to 4.5, right? So B is calculated. How to calculate sum of the observations by total number of the games? That is equal to 18 by 4 equal to 4.5. Now the last question from this group. Who is the best performer? Now here what happens? We have to compare the performance of A, B with C also. But C is played only 3 games, since it is a group comparison, because all the players are comparing here. So C's average should be taken based on 4 only, not by 3. There we have taken last question 2. We have divided only by 3 means because it is individual performance. Now we are doing the comparison. Who is the best performer? The best performer will have the greatest average, right? Now we can observe that average of A already we have calculated in the first question, that is 12.5, and third question B's average we have already calculated. In the second question we have decided that it should be divided by 3 because since it is an individual performance. Now we are comparing with A and B, so we also comparing C's average. Now it is 32 by 4 equal to 8. So you got all the 3 averages now. Now whose performance better? You can easily understand from this one whose performance A. So A is the best performer among these 3, right? So this is the question they have asked. Even if you consider 3 also, A's performance is C's performance is less compared to A only. But here it's a comparison purpose, so we should consider the 4th match for everyone. Equal parts, equally we are giving the chance for them. So A's average equal to 12.5, B's average is 4.5, C's average is 8. So whose performance is best here? A's performance is best. Sixth question. The marks out of 100 only obtained by a group of students in a science test: 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81, 75. Find the highest and the lowest mark obtained by the students. So better if we arrange in ascending order. So we can arrange in ascending order: 39, 48, 56, 75, 76, 81, 85, 85 again, 90, 95. You can cross check that one. So we have arranged it in ascending order. There is not compulsory that we should arrange in ascending order, because the number of observation is less here. You can easily identify which is the highest and lowest. But once you arranged, you can do fast all the problems related to this. So we already arranged in the ascending order. Highest mark is equal to 95 and the lowest is equal to 39. That is the first part of the question. Now what is the second part of the question? Range of the mark. So range means maximum minus minimum value. So 95 minus 39 equal to 56. Understood? Range is equal to maximum minus minimum. It is equal to 95 minus 39 equal to 56. Now the third question, mean marks obtained by the group. So mean is equal to sum of the observations by total number of the observations. So just add this one: 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 85 plus 39 plus 48 plus 56 plus 95 plus 81 plus 75. So just add all this and we divide. You will get the value as 73. So I have not written the sum. You only add and find out what is the sum, and you have to divide with the 10 because 10 observations are there. So the mean will be 73. So what are the sub questions here? First highest, that is 95, then lowest 39. Second part of the question, range. So both the difference only, that is equal to 56. The last part of the question, mean, sum of the observations by the number of observations, it is equal to 73. Seventh question. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years: 1555, 1670, 1750, 2030, 2540, 2820. Find the mean enrollment. So just mean only. So what we have to do? Sum of the observations by number of observations. Just add all the values. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 by 6. Answer is 2058. What is the mean here? 2058. It's a normal question. Just add the values and divide by total number of observations. It is equal to 2058. The rainfall in a city for 7 days for a certain week. Days are Monday to Sunday. Rainfall is 0.0, then 12.2 and 2.1, 0.0, 20.5, 5.5 and 1. All are in millimeter only. Find the range of the rainfall. Range, for calculating range, what we must know? Highest and the lowest. Which day is having highest? Friday, 20.5, which is the minimum? 0.0. So 20.5 minus 0.0, it is equal to 20.5. Now find the mean. Mean means what? Sum of all the observations. So just add 0.0, 12.2, like that we should add and divide by 7. Our answer is 5.9 millimeter. What is the answer for mean? 5.9 millimeter. Now what is the third question? On how many days was the rainfall less than the mean? So what is the value? We got a 5.9. Then when this observation is less than 5.9, just check that one. 0.0, definitely it is less than 5.9. 12.2 is greater, right? 2.1 again less than, so second time, isn't it? Again 0.0, third time. 20.5 is greater, so we cannot. Fourth Saturday, 5.5, that is also less only compared to 5.9. The last one is 1 millimeter, so that is also less than 5.9 millimeter. So how many days are possible here? 5 days. Which are the day? Monday is possible, right? Wednesday is possible, Thursday is possible, Saturday is possible, Sunday is possible. Understood now how we are got to 5? So we got 5 days, which are the Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, the rainfall was less than the average rainfall. So what are the questions here asked? Range and a mean. So range calculating means maximum value minus minimum value. What is the mean? Means sum of the observations by total number of observations. So we got 5.9 millimeter. After this, what the third question? How many days the rainfall was less than 5.9 millimeter? That means average, right? Average only question asked. The average value is 5.9 millimeter only. So if we check means we are getting 5 days. Which are the days? Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and a Sunday. All these days the rainfall was less than the average rainfall. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the result are as follows. 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141. Who is the tallest girl and who is the shortest girl? What is the height they are asking, and what is the range? What is the mean? How many girls have height more than the mean height? These are the 5 questions they have asked. So what we have to do means we should arrange the data and identify who are the tallest girl, what is the height for the tallest girl and what is the height for shortest girl, then range, then mean, then how many are having more than mean height. Now solution. Arranging the height of 10 girls in ascending order. It is not compulsory step, but we have to make a practice of this, then our analyzation will be easy. So we are arranging the ascending order now. So 128 is the least one, 128, 132, 135, 139, 141, 143, 146, 149, 150 and 151. So we got arranged all the 10 data from in the ascending order. So 128 to 151. So which is the highest from this? That is 151 centimeter. Height of the tallest girl equal to 151, which is the least value 128. So height of the shortest girl equal to 128. Once you got the tallest and the shortest, that is maximum value and the minimum value, we can calculate the range. Range is equal to 23. Now what is the next question? Mean height. Mean means what? Sum of the observations by total number of the observations. So what we'll get? Just add all the values and divide by 10. So 1414 divided by 10, that is 141.4 centimeter. What is the answer there? 141.4 centimeter. Now what is the sub questions again? How many girls are greater than this height? So we can count and see that it is just check that one, it is 141.4. so 128 is less than 141, 132 is also less than. Here this time is greater than is asked. 135 is also less, 139 is also less, 141 is also less. Now 143 is greater compared to our mean, 146 is greater compared to our mean, 149 is also greater compared to our mean. Now 150 and 151 are also greater when it compared to the mean only. Mean just 141.4 is there. Understood? So how many observations we are getting there? 5 girls. So 5 girls are greater than the mean height. And these heights are 143 to 151, right? 143, 146, 149, 150 and 151 centimeter. So got what is the steps here? Highest of the tallest, height of the tallest girl, height of the shortest girl, then range calculated. After range, mean is asked, so mean calculated. Again one more question is asked, comparison with mean. So which is having the greater than the mean value? How many girls are having? 5 girls are having the height greater than the mean value.